Since it was founded in 1965, Hakan Plastik has achieved many great milestones as the original manufacturer of silent pipes in Turkey. In 2013, George Fisher, a 200-year-old company, acquired Hakan Plastik, helping it elevate its product and service quality to global standards in order to become synonymous with quality and reliability in the plastic pipe industry. GF Hakan Plastik has two manufacturing plants in Çerkezköy and Şanlıurfa and exports its products to more than 70 countries. The company manufactures products and provides services with 6 sales areas, a training and technology center, and a 650-strong team in Turkey. GF Hakan Plastik makes PVC pipes in both of its manufacturing plants. Equipped with 11 extrusion lines, 2 threading and filter tools, and 3 mixers, the Çerkezköy PVC pipe manufacturing line produces sewer pipes, pressurized freshwater pipes, boreholes, drainage and rain gutters. The Salenta FR series of the Salenta product range is also manufactured here. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it utilizes an online control system for sewerage and freshwater product ranges, preparing materials with weight control and supplying materials automatically to the extrusion line. More than 500 fittings, 50mm to 250mm, are manufactured at the PVC fitting manufacturing location. The 2 manufacturing plants are equipped with a total of 24 injection machines and material feed systems. The capability of preparing materials with PVC control and weight control in mixing and the automatic feeding systems that supply materials to injection machines ensure consistently high quality at the PVC fitting manufacturing line. The PP manufacturing line includes key product groups on a global scale: Aquasystem PPR and PPRCT pipes, Salenta Premium, Salenta 3A, Salenta Extreme Pipe Series, PEX, and PERT Series are manufactured on this line. The multi-layer pipe technology employed on this line allows for the production of PPR and PPRCT pipes with glass fiber reinforcement or aluminum foil layers, and of the silent pipe family, 3-layer pipes and PEX and PERT pipes with oxygen barriers. This line is capable of feeding raw material by PEX furnace treatment technology, compound manufacturing technology, and pre-furnace treatment technology, and controlling the process by a central feeding system and associated control devices. "31 injection machines and a material feeding system manufacture more than 1,500 different products in the production section where PPR, Salenta Premium, Salenta Extreme, Salenta 3A, and HTPP fittings are manufactured. These lines are equipped with automatic packaging machines, robotic systems for metallic fittings, and a central feeding system. This line manufactures PE 100 straight pipes, 20mm to 630mm, using 3 PE 100 extrusion lines and 2 coilers that use raw original materials to make products to European standards. It provides 100% online measurement of external diameter, internal diameter, wall ovality by radar technology, raw material feeding and hot pressing by pre-furnace treatment, and production is perfected by inkjet branding. Conducted in compliance with EN standards from raw material input to production of end products in line with our quality standards, our testing procedures ensure that users are provided with the best products. Laboratories accredited by the International Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation and the Turkish Accreditation Agency perform the tests required by the standards for different product groups. All processes and products are inspected by the Quality Assurance Department, from raw material input to loading products for delivery to customers. Certified for compliance with product and system quality standards in Turkey and several countries worldwide, GF Hakan Plastik reflects its total quality approach to all of its processes, as well as production. KPI tracking and faults can be monitored with a dashboard, and immediate interferences can be done easily. Design and simulation with CAD/CAM technology. In this part of production, labeling and welding processes are applied. GF Hakan Plastik has a product range of more than 10,000 items, including superstructure, infrastructure, industrial plastic pipes and fittings, offering this diversity to its customers in a fast and accurate way. The company uses stock management systems in both Çerkezköy and Şanlıurfa plants. The 8,000 square meter covered storage area for fittings at the Çerkezköy facility, with the capacity to hold 7,300 pallets, stocks approximately 8 million products at a given time. The system is integrated with 75,000 square meters of area and the existing enterprise resource planning systems, and supported with handheld barcode terminals that are used for multi-story storage, product retrieval, and shipment. The warehouse management system application allows fast and smooth preparation of products, independent of individuals and without the need for searching for the relevant location. There are storage areas at several locations inside the facility. The storage area for PPR and PPRCT pipes has a 2,400 square meter covered area and a storage capacity of 640 metal crates. This area stocks 4 million meters of products at a given time. Products are stocked back-to-back and not affected by ambient conditions. The 9,000 square meter open storage area with a 2,000 metal crate basket storage capacity, where superstructure products are stored, is also managed by WMS. Another open storage area is reserved for infrastructure products. With a capacity of 2,000 metal crates on a surface area of 10,300 square meters, the storage space can hold 1 million meters of PVC fresh water, borehole, and PE 100 products at a given time. Once the raw material reaches the plant, the Quality Assurance Department performs entry checks. Then the material is directed to the relevant storage areas by the WMS system. Raw material is also stored in silos. The radar system instantly monitors the amount of raw material in the 14 silos located at the raw material feeding point. The materials can be automatically directed to the machines. GF Hakan Plastik Training and Technology Center offers both technical and practical training to all of its business partners with the aim to raise the level of knowledge and awareness in the industry. Different training and seminar programs are available at the center to provide information about both GF Hakan Plastik products and correct application techniques. Representing quality and reliability in plastic pipes from the day it was founded and drawing upon more than 50 years of experience in Turkey and 200 years worldwide, GF Hakan Plastik aims to provide its customers with innovative products that enhance comfort. GF Hakan Plastik reaches its customers nationwide through established entrepreneurs and companies that have a strong reputation in the province where they operate. The company continues its operations to respond to the needs of its customers in the fastest, most accurate, and convenient manner with its products, system solutions, and services in the plastic pipe industry. GF Hakan Plastik gives direction to water.